exercise. This is 1.5 of your number system. The fifth question is very simple. Rationalize the denominator of the following. So you have four questions here. Examples here. The first one is 1 upon root 7. The second one is 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. And the third one is 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. And here the last one is root 7 minus 2. See children, here the denominator is irrational. Here it is irrational. Here it is irrational. And here in this last case also it is an irrational number. So how to rationalize the denominator? Very simple it is. And see, I'll solve one by one. First we go with the first one. We have what it is, 1 upon root 7. Okay, very simple. See what we are doing here. We are multiplying both numerator and denominator by root 7. So what happens here? So if you multiply both numerator and denominator by root 7, what happens? 1 into root 7 is, it is root 7. And root 7 into root 7, it is root 49. We can multiply, is it? They are like terms, that is root 7 into root 7. Same order. So then 7 7s are 49 this way. Yes, it is not 2 root 7 children. Yes, root 7 plus root 7. If it is, in that case it is 2 root 7. So avoid such confusions. Okay. This is equal to root 7 upon root 49 is what? Our simple 7. So we have got the denominator as a rational number. Only this much. Yes. The second one is what? 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. See this one, often you are going to get such questions, and in your higher classes also you are going to solve such questions. Rationalizing the denominator continues to your higher classes, in your higher classes also. So learn it well, and the same method you are continuing. Okay. Now we have here root 7 minus root 6. If we have minus, just take here root 7 plus root 6, opposite of that one. Suppose here it is plus, then you are taking minus. Okay. Now it is root, same thing you are going to do, because why you are multiplying this way? If we cancel this one, it will not affect our given problem. Okay. Without affecting the problem, you have to take the steps. These are extra steps what you are multiplying. Whether if you are multiplying both numerator and denominator, you have to take the same term. And if you are adding something, then you have to subtract the same thing. Something like this one. You will learn all this step by step, one by one. Okay. Now what I am saying here, just we are multiplying opposite sign, or taking both numerator and denominator by the same term. Okay. Now look at this one. Remember this one. Don't take opposite signs. Here both the signs should be same. Whatever the term you are taking, same here. Okay. Now 1 into this one is what? Root 7 plus root 6 only. Now look at this one. This is not equal to, see children, this is not equal to a plus b. It is a plus b into a minus b. Is it? Which is equal to a square minus b square. This is not a minus b whole square, children. Okay, you are not going to take this one as root 7 minus root 6 whole square. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So which we have here, root 7 square minus root 6 the square. Okay, don't write, if you write this one root 7 minus root 6 whole square, then it is wrong. Yes. Now root 7 plus root 6 cannot be added. Okay, then you are going to keep this one as it is. Then this and this one we are removing, as I explained the previous. So root 7 square means root 7 into root 7. Root 7 into root 7 means root 49. Root 49 is nothing but a 7. So that we are going to get here. So this is 7 minus the 6. So what you are going to get here? Root 7 plus root 6 upon 1. Or you can say just root 7 plus root 6. And the denominator, whatever you have got, it is a rational number. 1 is of course a rational number. Yes, this is the second one. Sorry, next one we have third one here. What it is? Same. It is similar to the second one. Same method, same steps you are following. We have the question as 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. As usual, we are multiplying this one by root 5 minus root 2, and here also root 5 minus root 2. So when you multiply with this one, what you are going to get here? Root 5 minus root 2 divided by, this is similar to the previous one, it is a plus b into a minus b, whose expansion or whose simplification you can say is what? root 5 square minus root 2 square separately, children. So this one numerator as it is, this is 5 minus 2, which is root 5 minus root 2 upon 3, this way. Okay, very simple rational number. Next we have the fourth one. So this is third one, and fourth one we have square root of 7 minus 2, 1 upon. Okay, so what we are doing here, square root of 7 plus 2, then square root of 7 plus 2, you are taking this way. So this is root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 square minus 2 square. Very simple. Okay, same step, root 7 plus 2 divided by, this is 7 minus 2, this is equal to, this is 7 minus 2. So this is equal to root 7 plus 2 upon 7 minus 2 is 5. So these are the four sums which are having the same steps. You are following in all the sums. Remember this one. Just one thing. In all these problems I want to say, negative sign you are taking. That is, here if it is negative, you are taking opposite sign. If it is negative, it is plus. Positive you are taking. If it is positive, then you are taking negative. This is the first point you have to remember in all these problems. The second one is that here don't get confused with what, root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6 is root 7 square minus root 6 square. It is not the whole square. So these are the two steps where I have seen students making mistake. With these two steps often they go wrong. So they take what, here if it is same, here they may take plus and here they take minus. That should not be same. You are going to take the term here in the numerator and denominator. Just I want to repeat these things once again as they are very important, and often these are the points where you people make mistake while solving. Okay, hope you people have understood this question.